Hey everyone! If you're getting low FPS or lag in Brawlhalla, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to improve FPS and make Brawlhalla run smoother. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Brawlhalla. Then click Properties. Under Launch Options, type sets followed by your monitor's refresh rate. For example, if you have a 60 Hz monitor, type set 60. If you have a 120 Hz monitor, type sets 120. Or sets 144 for a 144 Hz monitor. Close the Properties window. Launch Brawlhalla. Click Options in the top right corner. Open System Settings. Find Display Mode. Set it to full screen. Close the settings. Close unnecessary background apps, like Discord, web browsers, or download managers. Update your graphics driver if needed. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. Check if your FPS has improved. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having FPS problems, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.